Yeah.
ఓకే ఇది ఈ కలర్ బెటర్గా ఉంది కదా, విజిబిలిటీ ఎక్కువ, ఏదైనా కాస్త లైటింగ్ బాగానే ఉంది. ఓకే, సో క్యాలెండర్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ topic or area in the mental ability test or quantitative aptitude test. As you know it, in the quantitative aptitude, we have nearly 16 kinds of areas. So we have to discuss all these things, then you can score maximum. If you see the scenario of any competitive examination, whether it is a school level examination or national level examination or state level examination or public service commission examination, whatever it may be, a quantitative aptitude plays an important role. So out of 100 marks, the quantitative aptitude will be 30 marks. In general, who scores maximum in this quantitative aptitude, that person will definitely qualify in the examination. So this is a success mantra for any student, whether he is going to write a school level or higher level. So this is very important. So I want to make you perfect in this particular areas. So by hearting is a very difficult. So logic is very important. Analytical thinking is very important. For example, today, as you know that today is the Saturday. So if anyone asks you, today is the 19th March, correct? So 19th March 2022. So what is the date here? You want to calculate. So you want to know it. So if you have a calendar, just by searching it, you can calculate. But without calendar, if you want to know what is today. So out of 7 days, whether it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, among these 7 possibilities, which is the correct one? So today you know it. But if I asked you to you, for example, in 2050, April 2nd is the, what is the weekday? You have to say that. So that's a very important. So for this, I collect some information like coding. So just I have given some codes. So just observe the codes. For each century, there is a specific code. So those are 6420. It will repeat it because mathematics is nothing but based on patterns. So if you understand the pattern, it's a very simple. So if it is 1600 to 1999 means 17th century, so the code is 6. 1700 to 1799, 18th century, the code is 4. 1800 to 1899, the code is 2. And 1900 to 1999 means 20th century, it is 0. And 2000 to 2099, that is 21st century, it is 6. And 2100 to 21st 1999, it is 4. So next one is 2, next one is 0. So for your information, I have written that is a codes as 6420. Keep in your mind that 6420. So it starts from 16th means 1600 or 17th century. Very simple. 17th century, 18th century, 19th century, 20th century, like you have to come alternately. So 6420, 6420. Don't by heart it. Just keep in mind that. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now after giving the codes for the century, now we are shifting to the months. We have 12 months. For these 12 months, the codes are as follows. So that January it is 0. For February it is 3. For March it is 3. For April it is 6, for May it is 1, for June it is 4, for July 6, August 2, September 5, October 0, 5, and November 3, the last one but not least, that is the December is 5. So these are the codes. So it is also very easy to remember it. 03361 4625035. So like you can remember it. And finally coming to the what is the weekday. So those also, that is for Sunday means that this is depends on the result. If you get the result is 0, then it is Sunday. If the result is 1, it is Monday. The result is 2, it is Tuesday. Result is 3, it's a Wednesday. Result is 4, it's a Thursday. Result is 5, it's Friday. And result is 6, it is Saturday. So as the result, so the weekday will be like. Okay. So now we will check it. So 19th March 2022 is Saturday. Now we will check it how we are going to calculate it. Okay. For this, a small process will be there. That is, first you have to take the date. Today is 19th. Take the 19th. Clear? Okay. Next, after 19, so March. So you have to try add the March code. What is the March code here? 3. So you have to add 3 to it. Okay. Next one is last 2 digits of the year. So 2022. What is the last 2 digits of this year? 22. So take the 22. Clear? Okay. Now you have to divide this, because now observe it. We are making into quadra, means 4 like. So you have to divide this 22, the last 2 digits, with 4. Why you are taking 4? Everyone knows it. So a general year is 365 and 1 by 4 days. A general year. If for 4 years, this 1 by 4 cumulated. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 quarters means 1. Means here, so this is the first year, means 365 and 1 by 4. Next 1 by 4 will be added. Next 1 by 4 will be added. Finally, in 4th year, 1 day will come. That becomes as a leap year. So leap year has 366 days. Is it clear? For that reason, means for every 4 years, the leap year comes. For that reason, we divide that last 2 digits of the year with 4. So 4 5 is 20. So 2 is the remainder. We have to consider the quotient. So 5. Write the quotient of it. Okay. Now coming to the last one is century code. So 2022 comes under 2000 to 2099. So corresponding code is 6. So you have to add 6 for it. Clear? So 19 plus 3 22. 22 plus 22 44. 44 plus 5 49. 49 plus 6 55. Clear? So it is 55. So what you have to do, this total answer will be divided with 7. So 7 7s are 49. What is the remainder here? 6. So this is the result. So 6. What is the 6 here? See it. 6 is corresponding to Saturday. So today is the Saturday. Means 19th March 2022 is Saturday. So like you can calculate, if you know the date, you can say the which day it is. This is a compulsory question in the examination. Very simple to calculate. In the process, what are the steps or process here? Observe it. The first one, you have to write the total date. Today is 19th. So 19th, write 19 here. Next March, the corresponding code is 3. Okay. And 2022, that year, means last 2 digits of the number, means 22. Okay. And divide that year with, of course, last 2 digits of that year with 4. Already I said leap year to calculate. So take the quotient here. 5 is the quotient. Take the quotient here and take the last one as century code corresponding to the year. Add all those things. You will get a sum. Divide that sum with 7. What is the remainder? See it. Corresponding to is the particular year. Is it clear? So we checked it. Now we will try it for another one. Okay. So as you wish. January 26th of 1950. So because I am taking the popular dates, so we can calculate easily. Okay. So 26th January 1950. Okay, 1950. You want to say what is the date here. Okay, what have to do the first one? You have to take the date 26th, correct. Okay, what is the next one? January. So, what is the January code here? 0. So, 0. Next, 1950. What is the last 2 digits of number? Here, 50, correct. This is 50 is the last 2 digits. So, now you have to take 50 here. Okay, next you have to divide this 50, the last 2 digits of this 50 with the 4. So when you divide with 4, as you know it, 12 4s are 48. So 2 is the remainder, 12 is the quotient. Take 12, add 12 to it. Okay, the last one, century code. 1950. What is 1950? 1950 comes under 1900 to 1999. So it is corresponding code is 0. Add 0 to it. So take the total. 26 plus 50, 76 plus 12. 76 plus 12 is 88. Correct? 88. So what have to do? Divide this 88 with the 7. Okay, you know that you can say 12 7s are 84. 4 is a remainder. Take 4 now. Corresponding date is Thursday. So on Thursday we celebrated the Republic Day, 26th January 1950. Is it clear? In this manner you can calculate. I will discuss one more for your clarity. Let's take one more. Even you can try it with your date of birth, because everyone knows. So your date and when you was born, so by your date of birth you can check it easily. So now I am taking one more, that is 15th August 1947. Very familiar date. 15th August 1947. Which is the day here it is. Okay, what you have to do? What is the first step? So we have to take the first one, date 15. Next, August, corresponding code for August is 2. Okay, next 1947. So last 2 digits are 47. So what you have to do? 47 with 2, correct? When you take with 2, you would have to divide with the 4, correct? Okay, 11 4s are 44, 3 is a remainder, correct? Okay, so 11, so we have to divide, add 11 to it, and the last one, 1947, comes under the 1900 to 1999, it's 0. So it is 0. Now add all this. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So 5, and 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 7, 75. So you have to divide 75 with the 7, correct? Okay, so what is the 7 tens are 70. So 5 is the remainder. 5 means a Friday. So we on Friday we got the independence. So in this manner, so you can calculate the year. This is the very important. So mostly I hope you understand it. So first you have to remember the century codes, that is 6420, and you have to remember the month codes, and finally the codes for the date, weekdays, means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. No need to by heart, just remember it start from Sunday, so end with Saturday. So start with 0 to 6. Is it clear? So I hope you understand the year question. So definitely everyone can answer this question without any mistake. Thank you. ఇంకోటి ఉంది సార్, చేస్తాను. ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ వచ్చింది సార్ అది?
1.13 చూడాలి ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి.
ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు సార్, ఏం కాదు. సరిపోతుంది 15 minutes.
15 minutes, less than 15 minutes.